Hey guys, it's your girl Justena Elise, and today we are gonna do a new natural hair product combo, doing a wash and go with the Doux. Yes, the Doux again. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. If you made it this far in the video and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Click that red button and the bell next to it so you can be notified of my next video. Comment down below and tell me, have y'all tried the Doux? Because y'all know the Doux is one of my favorite product lines. So let's just get into this video. All right, guys. So today, your girl, not even today, this week, your girl saw a new Instagram reel from a fellow Instagram natural hair beauty. And I'm gonna do her video right here. She has two reels that when I saw them, I was like, girl, I have to recreate the hairstyle, like for sure. So that is what I'm gonna do today. I'm taking into consideration some of her tips that she has on the reel. So that is what I'm gonna do today. And I'm gonna use a couple of products. The Doux is the main product that we're looking at, but I am gonna put in a leave-in, and I'm using the Intensive Moisturizing Leave-In Cream by Texture ID. I've used this before and I love it. So lightweight, but it moisturizes your hair. And then as far as from the Doux, we're using two products. They're Big Poppa Gel Defining Gel and their Mousse Def Texture Foam. As y'all know, I've used this many times before. So I am gonna use it again today. And I'm gonna take some tips that my girl, I think her name is Curvy Brown, or I'll put her Instagram name right here. And as well as I'll show the reel. I've already showed the reel. But my girl, we're gonna take some of her tips into consideration, and we're gonna take some tips that one of my subscribers told me. So I used this product in a video to do a wash and go. And I think I was like complaining about the fact that it still gave me flakes. It didn't really do what it needed to do to my hair. So my subscriber, and I'll put their comment right here, probably right here. So my subscriber suggested that I incorporate more water. So that is what your girl is doing today. I got me some water, some warm water here. As you know, I have low porosity hair, so I got me some warm water. And on top of that, I've been drying my hair for a while. So I went to the gym earlier, got my workout in and washed my hair, deep conditioned it and all that stuff. And I just slapped this little towel on, and I've been wearing it ever since, so for a couple of hours. So today we're gonna do this hairstyle, see how that comes out. Take all of our tips into consideration that we've received, and let's just get into this video. All right, guys, so this is how my hair looks. I'm gonna definitely go in with the water because, as my subscriber said, use plenty of water. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in heavy with the water throughout this whole wash and go. I did go ahead and section my hair how I want it to be in the front to create the flat twist, the two flat twists on each side. In the front, it did take me a very long time to section my hair. I think it's mainly because I'm just not used to sectioning my hair to the side. It's really it's a difficult it's a difficult position to be in. But anyway, so I did go ahead and section, like at least part the sections. And then after I finish parting my hair, I am going to go in with my leave-in by Texture ID and moisturize my entire head. So we can have a base for our gel and mousse when we do apply it to our hair. All right, y'all, so I have my hair moisturized all the way with my leave-in. This is how it looks. Very, very moisturized, very, very detangled, and ready for this hairstyle. So I did go ahead and section it as y'all saw. I'm gonna flat twist this side and this area right here. I'm gonna flat twist them, and it took me a while to part it, but it's all good. We still heal. So I'm gonna flat twist these two sections, and then I will come back and do the wash and go in the back. All right, guys, so we are gonna go ahead and section for these two flat twists. That's gonna be on the left side of my hair. We're gonna start off by using the Big Poppa gel. Applying a decent amount. I want to use this section as a way. I want to use it the same way that I would do if I did a wash and go. I'm gonna apply as much gel as possible to help lay down my hair and weigh down my hair. Go ahead and add that extra water just to make sure the gel is in my hair enough. And then going with the mousse, just like I'm gonna do towards the back of my head when I do the regular wash and go. So this is all to help, you know, my hair overall lay down. Now, this part of me twisting my hair was super hard. I'm not gonna lie. But it took me a while. I didn't do it to perfection. Like, this is the only clip I actually got of me flat twisting my hair because it did take so long to flat twist going to the side. But, you know, it came out decent. It wasn't the best thing in the world, but yeah, it came out decent. I did apply a rubber band to like right by like where my ear was, where I ended the flat twist. This is just to help hold down the twist because my twists are so short. I just wanted something to like really secure that area. So after I applied the twist, and the rubber band, I just twisted the end of my hair and coiled it at the end. Yeah, so I got my flat twist. It took me a while. I don't even think I got a recording of me doing it, but I just basically flat twisted them back instead of forward, because when I flat twisted them forward, they looked weird. So I had to get used to like flat twisting them back. And I've never gone it sideways. I've only gone like straight back, as y'all saw in my like 2 videos ago. I did those flat twists that were straight back. So much easier than this. The wash and go in the back, and my hair has dried a little bit, so I am gonna add. Also, I don't know if y'all can see, but I put rubber bands right here. Since my hair is so like short in the front, I put rubber bands to help me hold down my hair, and it's like really thin compared to her hair. In the video, like she has like way more hair than me, so it can help like weigh it down. My hair, not necessarily. And I think when I'm done, I'm actually gonna pin these back, but I'll see once I'm done. So let's go in, take this twist down. I'm gonna comb my hair out like this. So basically the techniques that she uses is that she'll add the gel first, apply it to the hair all the way, make sure you get the roots because that's where a lot of people mess up on, and then she adds the mousse. So I'm using the mousse and the gel from the same line to help out. So, and I already put my leave-in in, so let's go in. Oh wait, water first to make sure, because this gel is very, very sticky. I've noticed now that I've used it again. It's been a while, but This gel is really, really sticky. So I think by having extra water on my hair will help with the stickiness, hopefully. So that's how much I'm getting. And let's go in. All right, guys, as y'all see here, I'm applying my gel and I'm making sure I focus on the roots as much as possible. And I'm allowing the gel to actually weigh down my hair. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add the mousse. And the mousse, like once I applied it, it just felt like my curls essentially got more curly and kind of more weighed down. And it was accepting the mousse and the gel combination. I did go ahead and shingle as well, just to kind of like set those individual curls into place. And I just, as soon as I saw this, I knew that my entire head was gonna look amazing balls because of how curly my hair was. Again, I did apply a lot of water when doing this, applying the gel, focusing on the roots primarily, and finger detangling throughout my hair, just making sure it's applied to each individual strand, applying the mousse, and then shingling again. And I did this throughout my hair, and each time I did it, I was just so amazed at how good my hair was coming out, because I feel like I've never had a wash and go, like products like this combination do my hair in such a way that almost every single strand of my hair was curly and I loved it. So this is my last section I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna repeat the whole process of applying the gel, making sure the gel like literally weighs down my hair. As y'all see here, my hair looks completely flat, and when I pull it away, it takes my hair a while to revert. So that's my main thing when it comes to gel. Then I go ahead and apply the mousse and finger detangle, making sure every single strand of my hair gets some mousse. And then I finger coil my hair throughout with the mousse, distributing it everywhere. And guys, my hair looks so good. I can't get over this. I really, really can't get over how good my hair is looking. All right, guys, before my camera dies, this is how my hair has came out. I really, really like it. Um, I've never had definition like this in a wash and go with that gel and that mousse. Like, so I am gonna actually diffuse my hair a little bit, and then I will stretch it with my satin hair tie scrunchies, and then I'll come back tomorrow and let y'all see my hair. All right. All right, guys, so this is how my hair looks after I have stretched it, and these how my twists look. I am gonna go ahead and pin them back, since they are kind of short and they kind of look kind of awkward just hanging there. I did it on both sides. But essentially, my hair looks so amazing. I feel like every single curl is curled and my hair looks so good. The only con is that the very, very top of my hair, where my part is of the wash and go, is a little frizzy. But other than that, all my other hair is totally curly and I love it. Also where the part is where the frizz is, that's the part that got the most frizziest in the beginning, like as the weekdays went on. But essentially I kept this hairstyle for a week and I loved it. So if you're interested in doing this mousse gel combo, comment down below and let me know how it works out for you. I highly, highly encourage it if you're looking for something that is gonna help you have a long lasting wash and go. If you made it this far in the video and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, click that red button and the bell next to it so you can be notified of my next video. And remember guys, you look blessed. Bye guys.